Hi guys, I'm back with another tutorial of Tech Assist. In this guide video, I will be showing you how to change Google account profile photo. Now before we get started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in this method, I will show you a simple step on how you can change your Google account profile photo. Now first of all, open your Google application. Now as you can see that as soon as I tap on Google, now what you have to do is right at the bottom you can see a search bar, so you need to enter Google account profile. So next you'll have a multiple options, so right on top there you can see about me, Google account, tap on it. So on the other side you will land inside your personal information or about me page. Now what you have to do is you have to scroll down, and down there you can see profile picture. On the second step, just tap on it. Now as you can see that as soon as I tap on profile picture, now on the other page there is the detail about profile picture. Now right at the bottom in the lower left corner there you can see change, tap on it. So on the other page you can see there are two different options, that is illustration and device photo. Now in case if you want to customize it from here itself, now you can explore all these. So in case if you want to add device photo or upload from the gallery, what you have to do is tap on device photo, and on the other page you have to tap on continue. So next what you have to do is you have to select the image which you want to add it as your Google profile photo. Now once you're done selecting the picture as well as editing it, all you have to do is tap on save as profile picture, which is right at the bottom. So as you can see that down there you have a confirmation, so make sure to go through it and then tap on understood. And here as you can see that the profile has been changed, and this is how you can change your Google account profile on your device. Now that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.